Welcome to the Market Social System. We created this system specifically for makers, for shops, market sellers, anyone who sells actual product, whatever it is, whether it's a widget, a hammer, or a piece of clothing. If you're someone that struggles with what you want to post on social media, this tool will help you. So all you have to do is once you've signed on, you'll log in and you'll get the Market Social System Template Studio. And my daughter has a clothing line, so I put in her shop name, which is Willow's Wardrobe. Once you come in here, there's posts or stories and reel covers. Once you come in here, you can look at the different categories. There's new arrivals, back in stock, sale, market dates, spotlight, behind the make, customer love, and marketing. So all you have to do is whenever you find the template that you would like, you simply click on it, and then you're going to go ahead and pick an image. So let's look at some of the images from my daughter's clothing line. I think she has some cute ones. Let's try this one. Say, have you grabbed your words? You'll come down here, and this is where you can change the color scheme. You can put in your own brand color. You can change the text color, whether you want a thin photo border or not. And let's see if we come in here and we change that, and we say thin border, and let's pick that top. And then we're going to come down here. We can change the text size, Willow's Wardrobe. Here we go. You can ask for captions. So you just click on here and there'll be suggested captions. You can ask for hashtags, Orange County, California, generate hashtags. Once you're done doing that, all you do is hit download, hit allow, and now you have an instant post for social media. So if you are somebody that struggles with creating things and you're tired of Canva, this might be your solution. We also have stories and reels. So you can pick the same type of designs for stories or your reel covers. And we'll be adding more templates. This is a brand new program. This is a sister program to another program that we have called the Studio Social System that we launched a week ago for photographers. When we originally launched this program, we started the same, just with posts, stories, and reels. We expanded to carousels, campaigns, etc., etc. We will also be expanding the Market Studio and adding more features, more campaigns, more captions, and tons of other things. We're going to be adding things for Pinterest and all kinds of other things. So if you are somebody that needs help when it comes to marketing your products and creating content, this is the solution for you.